own face. All these tiny glowing prophets telling me what I should taste. Coffee, car keys, running on a script I learned. Every billboard on the freeway selling me a way to burn. How do we exit the matrix? Pull the plug on the show in our heads. Turn down every bar opinion till the room goes quiet instead. I wanna feel one real thought, not something I was fed last night. Teach me how to leave this maze, walk out of the war in my mind. Oh. Mute that mantra, that was never really mine. Teacher, preacher, pretty stranger, wrote it on my fragile spine. Bare feet, backyard, grass cold under my toes. Breathing like I mean each inhale, watching my own thinking slow. How do we exit the matrix? Pull the plug on the show in our heads. Turn down every bar opinion till the room goes quiet instead. I wanna feel one real thought, not something I was fed last night. Teach me how to leave this maze, walk out of the war in my mind. Maybe we don't blast through, maybe we just step aside, name each little goal